YouTube? It's your boy Corey back with another motherfucking video. Hold on, let me turn this music off. He already got hella money. But it's your boy Corey. We back with another fucking video. Oh shit, but we back with another motherfucking video, right? And it's a POV drive. So just, you know what I'm saying? POV drive, get y'all a POV drive. You know what I'm saying? Like I used to. You know, for the day one subscribers. Y'all know I did POV drives, but I stopped. Well, I'm back with it today, so get with it. And they big got what? They big got one goddamn 80 on the dash. I mean 160. I'm tripping. 160 on the dash. So yeah, POV drive today, y'all. Get this bitch screen. Oh God. And your boy can downshift this hoe if he wants to. Put the window down. Come on. I better stop playing with this motherfucking Audi, boy. It bit move. It bit move. Mama, it bit move. It bit move. All right, hold on. Okay, Grunt's got the goddamn. Okay, Grunt's got the goddamn. Motherfucker on her. Okay. But slide that bitch in manual, though. Slide that bitch in manual. You already know what we got to do. I know what we about to do. Like that bitch in manual. Oh, that's us. Come on, car doing that. They ain't even a scat this bitch jumping. It sound good, man. Man, I'm going, fuck y'all, nigga. Damn, but yeah, boy. I don't like this steering wheel. This shit ugly, though. If I get a better steering wheel, then I don't forgot me goddamn man. It be around, though. Quick little pull for y'all, boy. Quick little pull for y'all, boy. They be a geek, though. I ain't gonna lie. They be a geek. Let me put that bit back and got that drive, though. Stop playing for a second. Talk to y'all, boy. But yeah, look, nice quick little POV. The video probably don't be that long, but like couple minutes. You know what I'm saying? I just need to drop a video for y'all boys that haven't been dropping. Try to hit that pothole. Oh shit. Try to hit no pothole in the ground. Fuck up the axle or the tire, some shit. And that shit is special as fuck. So yeah, but quick little POV drive for y'all boys. Hurry up, quick little POV drive. You know, this bit right here, geek though. And the boy got the sunroofski. Ooh, that big clear. Is it clear? Yeah. Get what? If I see a scat, get what? I'm gonna line it up with his ass. Yeah. We in the SRT Alti. So you get it? SRT Alti. But I'm finna go to the store right quick, right there. Right quick. Talk to y'all boy when I get out the store though, alright? Yeah. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Alright, you two, I just left the store. This was your boy driving in. Little Audi. Ain't no top of the line Audi, but you know, little Audi. They got to get this shit fixed too. Yeah. But yeah. Damn, I wish I had a little thing over here for the sunroof, cause it give me this fucking ass lighting. Dude, this lighting ass is fuck, bro. Come on, truck. God damn, bro, your ass on. Nice little charger. But the ugly ass truck taking his ass so goddamn on. Come on. Don't be looking at me, nigga, cause I got you up. Yeah, get that boy up real quick. God. So, a little POV drive. I don't know. POV. What you talking about? They buried don't want none. I'll take her ass all the way down there. Oh, God. I got my license. Yeah, and by the way, I have license, so, you know, I'm not driving reckless. None of that. Just give y'all a little POV drive. But I can't go to Mexico, you know what I'm saying, drive reckless as fuck, but I ain't gonna do that. Not right now. I'm gonna wait till I get me something real fast. And go goddamn James some shit. Real talk, James some shit. I like how this look. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Just that bitch got 160, so yeah. You know what I'm saying? That bitch got 160. The little, I can't even say it, so I'm even gonna say it. But if they truck get on the side of me, I'm gonna eat that nigga ass up. Eat that nigga ass up. Eat that nigga ass up. Whoa! And I still missed the red light. How the fuck? Oh fuck! I missed the red light. Trying to gack this truck up. Like, I missed the green light. Yeah. Ain't doing that no more. Shit. I ain't get none out of that. But the goddamn warning sign. You need gas. Bitch, I just put some gas in this shit. I just put some gas in this shit, bro. This shit tripping. Bro, that bitch got sport. Come on. Matt drive. That bitch can slap that bitch in menu. Come on. Then that motherfucker got the little baby powder shifters. Come on. Y'all can't goddamn fuck me with that shit. I want that boy out. That nigga SRT Optima, whoever his name is, SRT Optima, come line it up, bro. Come line it up. I want you to line it up. You already know it, man. I'm on Roosevelt. You know what I'm saying? Come pull up. Line it up. You ain't gonna pay money on it, though. Ain't gonna lie. But line that shit up. You got the big boy Audi. Line that shit up. No, I can switch the front, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can do the same shit, you heard me? Brother. I can do the same shit. See, damn, they need 50 roads in Atlanta, bro. They got down potholes and shit. Like, god damn, bro. That shit is ridiculous, bro. Nigga tire gonna be messed up every single time. Tunnel action. I'm finna put that bitch in goddamn. Tunnel action. Fuck you talking about. No. Tunnel action. Fuck you talking about. Tunnel action. I hate driving on railroad tracks. I ain't gonna count. Why the car get stuck? Like, I be having like thoughts like, what if the car get like the tire get stuck on the thing, and that shit just, you know what I'm saying, get stuck. The train not coming slow either. So yeah, that motherfucker in New York. So yeah, I ain't gonna mess with that. But I hope y'all like that POV drive. Talking to y'all driving, you know what I'm saying? Did a little bit of action, you know what I'm saying? A little bit that I can do right now, but next POV drive video, that motherfucker, hopefully, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully. Matter of fact, yeah, let me turn this way because I ain't trying to hit that. Tires already fucked up. Slow down right here. Beep, beep, boop, bop, bop, beep, boop. Alright, because you know your boy tires is messed up, so you can't really just drive over shit. Like we in the goddamn TRX, you know what I'm saying? You can't do that. When your boy be sitting right here with a flat tire, I ain't trying to do it, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, your boy got a green light. Red light, up! Bitch! I had to goddamn speed up a little bit because I was not trying to sit at that red light. It wasn't red light yet. It was crystal green. Then turned yellow when I passed it. Just in case y'all ain't see it. Because it really look like... This lighting bad though, like... This lighting bad too, man. A POV drive. I should hop on the highway, but... I ain't gonna do it to y'all today. Next POV drive, hop on the highway. I hop on the highway. And it better be scats or something on that. I mean, I ain't no scat hitter. Since I don't got no scat, I'm gonna race one. And when I get one, I'm gonna still race one. But my shit gonna be the fastest scat alive. You know what I'm saying? I said the fastest scat alive. It gonna be the fastest scat on the road, bro. Jesus Christ. Fastest scat on the road. Not the fastest scat alive. Because, like, it's not alive. It's a car. Nope, let me slow down. Speed limit 35. Boom, y'all seen that? That shit said, oh! That shit said 35. And y'all know that shit said 35. But the sunroof. I like the sunroof. And why they got a speed bump in the middle of the fucking road, y'all? We not even in no complexes, y'all. Like, it's a fucking speed bump in the middle of the road, bro. Like, a public road. Like the complexes, but this the public road. Why the fuck is this speed bump right here? On some shit. Like, what the fuck? Twin. Stop sign. Everybody gotta stop. So yeah, stop sign right now. Oh, it's another tunnel, y'all. It's another tunnel. You know your boy gotta do it for y'all, bro. It's a YouTube video, bro. Oh, there. You know what I'm saying, bro? Y'all fuck with that. Y'all tell me y'all fuck with that. Or not. But the ass wheel is fucked up, so goddamn, go ahead. But I reach my destination, turn this video off. Wish y'all boys the best. Hope the video, you know what I'm saying? Hope this video make y'all day. If it don't, hope it makes somebody else's day. But be safe, like, comment, and subscribe. And oh shit, let me park the car first. Now I'm gonna stop. You know what I'm saying? Start talking.